boys and girls, this is how you draw an op art hand. You're going to need a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and some markers or crayons, whatever you have at home. You're going to start with placing your hand in the middle of your paper, and you're going to lightly, with a pencil, trace the outline of your hand. Next, you're going to grab a couple colors. They're completely up to you to start your op art hand. And I'm going to start, you can start at the top or the bottom, and you are going to create lines. Now, in the background, they are going to be straight. Now, I'm going to use a chisel tip, so my lines are going to be very thick. It's okay if yours isn't. And I'm going to switch my colors in between. And you don't have to have them touch, but you do want them pretty close together. I'm going to go as straight as possible. If you want to use a ruler, you can use a ruler. So any line that's on the background is going to be straight. But once you get to your hand, we're going to do a little trick that'll make it look like our hand is popping out. And I think I can squeeze one more before I need to change it. So I'm going to go straight, and once I hit a hand, you can go right back through it, but that's going to be a curved line. So you can see that little line is curved. You're probably going to see it better on my next one. So it's going to keep being straight until you hit that finger. You're going to do a curve. You're going to go straight, curve, and continue to go straight across. Now, one thing that does help me when I do this is I like to sometimes do the background first, so I know that it's completely straight all the way across, and so my curves line up. This will be very handy and helpful when you start getting to this part of your hand. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep going all the way across with my lines. So there you have it. When you're all finished, you could even erase those pencil lines. So it's as if your hand was never traced and it's just magically appearing on your paper. There you go, an op art hand.